Yeah, morning.
Me where you in Yama Hena
Aba.
Tishade Aba.
Correct.
Empome ya DM.
Yaboko now so.
Na nyame adome so me we pa.
And then me pese di World Cup no ho komo kakra.
Okay.
Na e be in 10 times na be ya interviews no.
Yes.
E dey be to aso na.
Yeah.
Gab, I won't say a lot of teams are still vying to qualify for a year World Cup no. Until nya full teams ni yet. Nya complement of all the 48 teams on the World Cup no.
Yeah.
Now omo be pre the rest of the sports no. You will be Europe and you will be Caribbean sir. DR Congo are so representatives of Africans so akoka omo ho. Until very interesting how the teams are shaping up to play for a year World Cup no, and yebeko Italy for us because it looks like Oman qualify for World Cup now. A very big news because the last time Oman World Cup was 2014, 2018 one Bobby, 2022 sa one Bobby. So there's a big question mark on Italy as to whether Oman qualify for a year World Cup no. Now, Gab, there's something interesting and I'm a person made the trail. Okay. And say a trail for betting me ahwe me na mamia. A trail for no enhwe na answer na eno beba no. Na me hwe a World Cup a ball no. The World Cup no your friend Trianda.
Okay.
Na Trianda no it means 3 waves. 3 waves. That's the meaning of Trianda no. Okay. Inti Trianda no when a match ball now you be used for World Cup no. Now the Trianda means 3 waves, which is Canada, US, and Mexico ombe hosti World Cup no. Now na FIFA edit to ja say finally it has been decided say only 26 players would be selected for each national team in preparation for a year World Cup no. It initially na nkomo koso say ebe either 30 ana so we maintain 26 no initially na 23 but say only 3 aka ho until we will have 26 players. Nemum FIFA ka assembly FIFA say it looks like even the 26 no you would have to first submit a preliminary list of 55 players by May 11th. Until by May 11th every team must have 55 players the pool of players that every national team will select their final 26 from. From that 55 no, then you will truncate it to 26 player roster due by May 30th. Also from FIFA and now omri to draw ahead of World Cup qualifiers the remaining matches on the ball before the matches start. Now we na medi come earlier. Now, part 1 for Caribbean for side no New Caledonia and Jamaica bebo. The winner will play with DR Congo. Now the obe winning some match no ebe qualify. The same with Bolivia and Suriname and then omune bebo some match no. The winner will play with Iraq. Then we will see who qualifies for the World Cup. Inti Europe for path nusuni so many matches coming up, but a lot of eyes would be on Italy. They said they're now American on in Northern Ireland and bebo. Now Gab, Gattuso see or down.
A pressure good so.
Gattuso say, I hear voices saying, take Italy to the World Cup. Now to say them kind, Italy has not featured in the World Cup since 2014, and Gattuso determined say obe ende. So long wait now Italy for Asofano, but very interesting stuff coming in. Gattuso, or say I'll be lying if I said. When I put my head on the pillow at night, I didn't hear voices saying, take us to the World Cup, take us to the World Cup. It's Gattuso asema oka nyina say, oda, niya oti wani timu nyina say, you are the one to take us to the World Cup. But Obibe Bisa, how did Italy find themselves in this stage? Gab, Italy is at an all-time low in terms of their performance. Because, Oshaya, they have lost only 2 of their last 5 home World Cup qualifiers, having been unbeaten in all 54, in all 59 beforehand between 1934 and 2021. You start to say World Cup history ninano. There has been no time at Italy elusu at this point in their history how much qualify for World Cup. throughout the history till 2021. They have lost. It's Afina. Yenfane said the last 2 home games of Mabo are qualifiers. Obo lose 2. And it's very bad because say Omo Intibi Nyana right this time, which means that 3 successive World Cups. Omo Nyebi Mboye.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering how Gattuso will be feeling, knowing say the pressure that is coming with this job at this time. No, so when Tinian deliver, it looks like some permanent free. But let's look at how they could shape up for a China game. No, that is Italy and the Northern Ireland match number one. So typically, international football now they look like they are going to play with a 3-back system. But who share the profiles of these players are? Does it look like they have what it takes to beat Northern Ireland for Mrantia? No? There's a lot of questions that could come out of that. Usha Abranti said DiMarco, Politano, or Bonnie Football, Emma, Napolia. It looks like they want to find a way they can break down the press of Team Ayefreno, Northern Ireland. So a lot of eyes would be on them. Can they get them? Now, match number Bono. It looks like they are able Italy. No, they need to find a result over there before they go away. Italy and San Obeko, Northern Ireland for her. So it's very important. They must get the win, emphatic victory. Ewo on my own backyard. And San Wako, Northern Ireland for her. Akobo return leg. No. Now, Yefriwa and then big match ewo between Brazil and France. Gab, this is a final before a final. Share the 2 teams and the profiles, any players are member and Neno. It is very easy for you to also say that both teams echo World Cup final are a year.
Yeah.
Now, me person me bisa, who do you think would win this friendly match? I will say a friendly match.
Yeah.
Maybe I know man bonu gidi gidi sa. But who do you think could win this game?
For now, dear, I'm say Brazil na a person omu shaping name different.
Okay.
Because in their recent ones in our France, they said wa call fine and ade. Omo na fi there person omu be different and to maybe name a vibe ne wom ne last World Cup appearance and as bibi so I think say Brazil mumbe eager so meti ma win this game.
But name my young friend.
Me say say almost shape mu team.
Okay.
Omo de be call World Cup.
Okay.
And to po bia opeso win team ye to the World Cup.
Brazil
more than
say I've said it a number of times. Say if you ask me for my favorites to win this World Cup, I'll tell you it's France. Because Osho mu team nin Osho profiles now it's very difficult to say there's another team that is better than them. In my eyes, it looks clear. Say France are more favorites to win the World Cup. But said they all cannot. And then a lot of eyes will be on Brazil to see how they play without Neymar. Obi Kase or say or cut team no for the World Cup. In Tiedano, we will see Vinicius Jr. and Kylian Mbappe. Teammates or Real Madrid. But today they will be on the opposite side. We'll see how that game goes over there. Now share France and Soa or team they are very solid. Now share pictures be on Metricha. It looks like there's going to be a very good game they will give to us tonight. But we'll share the lineups and how they could possibly shape up. I didn't hear me fair. Because Oshe Brazil typically they want to go for a 4-4-2, but breaking it down, it could also be a 4-2-2-2, where Vinicius Jr. and Rafinha holding the width, would also look to cut in and provide more speed in the game. Oshe France and Soa, they have a very complete team from Mike Maignan or that AC Milan, and you come to the back line now, it looks like they have a very strong setup, double pivot, Chouameni, any Adrien Rabiot, and how they could even press the ball forward. It looks like they could get a lot of speed. It will be a friend of Michael Olise and Kylian Mbappe. In the game, I'm looking for something very, very, very exciting now. It will give us a lot to know how both teams are shaping up for the World Cup. Now, Gab, Enrana, Uja Funsu say, returning to the La Liga is a possibility. And I've always said this, say, just as how the English boys sometimes when they go out of the English league, it becomes very difficult for them to cope. Sometimes the Spanish boys also have the same trait, but for both sides, sometimes you realize, say, typically with the English boys, say even Conor Gallagher, or free English Premier League, Eco Ball, Spanish La Liga, say born wo Bobby. But at a point he was missing home and wanted to come back. The same can be said of some of these Spanish players. Otimi kobo England, obe enjoying the football. But eto de bia, opesa osako fie. Opesa osako bo bebia o free. Opesa osako mingle with the people that he knows very well. And you can get that in something like what Abranti friend Rodri. I can understand why he wants to go back to the La Liga. Now he has achieved a lot of things that he wanted to achieve at Manchester City. No, it is sensible to go and crown it all back at home in the La Liga. Na team my friend Real Madrid, a team ohun say opeso obo. O say no na me catch o say Moise Caicedo asema all kase opeso retire at Chelsea no. Me nyindi. Why? Because there is no player on Real Madrid or Uncle Gap. And Jamaica, you can bear witness with me. Say, if you get a player who rises to the rank to a point where Real Madrid can say, me here, Branebe Bomami, and now Florentino Perez, Efra will say, hey, I need you to come and play for me. You can't get, there are very few players that you get who will turn down that offer.
Okay. And
I see Rodri as one player who, if he goes back to a team like Real Madrid, or when he goes to Spain, Obenya that crowning moment for his career.
Okay.
Knowing very well, say at Manchester City he did all he could, but going back home is also something that he wants to go and then use to crown his effort. Transfer news quickly. Ansani Ebeko, Kvaratskhelia looks like Arsenal for Edinechia. Omopese Omodeneba. Now Roberto De Zerbi looks like a very likely candidate for Tima Yefreno. Tottenham Hotspur, because Ujafui Obai Untimi Nyeshi the whole of 2026 match Bakupen with me winning that was in the Champions League. Omucha Atletico Madrid I don't cry. Omuwini we or went to qualify. So it looks very likely say Abranti Efreno, Roberto De Zerbi will take over, but or say the only condition for him to take over and they said Tottenham will escape relegation.
Okay.
Into no question mark but I think you'll be a very good manager for them. Obe Boamu to adjust back to or current or previous form. Now the editor to cry Mijafu Jagging Club.
Fancy.
Or see the link now or more linking it to Real Madrid Jumano a complete nonsense. Now metenase because on say when there's a rumor obia pese omodi ka ho say na be ya rumor no e be true. Jagging Club said that one you can't add him to it. What he is enjoying now is life outside coaching. Say time no soon. Na say we say back to coaching now. Or the beba.
Okay.
It's a gap. Ye dey asem be sia. Na ya to adwumedie no so.
Yeah. So the quick one is Italy the one say a playoff. So omo bo wi a just say to the next step, but no return encounter.
There be into when a semi-final.
Yeah, we semi-final.
Into the final. Then they go to the final start.
Rally other opponent any same.
Yeah.
So I was yamfa ensio no na yamra fie na fie yamna medi efi enkomo.